Conventional paint contains mainly fossil-based ingredients, and nearly 10 million tons of paints and coatings are produced in Europe every year. The EU-funded research project Perfecoat therefore aims to develop sustainable bio-based paint and coating ingredients to support Europe's green transition. Paints and coatings contain various ingredients. There is a great potential to develop bio-based alternatives to fossil-based ingredients, especially for binders and pigments. With the help of sustainable marine and land-based biomass and microorganisms like yeast, fungi and bacteria, the Perfecoat project team develops such bio-based pigments and binders. In our labs, we also develop and produce functional nanomaterials that increase chemical and scratch resistance. The Perfecoat ingredients will be tested and validated in DIY paints, wall paints and coatings. Perfecoat, painting a sustainable future.